This is not an ordinary ship. This is a floating energy factory, running day and night in the ocean.
Same ship, where everything runs on machines. Humans are not seen here, and we are going deeper inside. This door leads to the engine room, where the real power exists. It is full of noise. As we go deeper, the temperature is rising. The sound of machines is getting louder. And this is just the beginning.
And here is the engine, the heart of this entire ship. It moves thousands of tons, and we are getting closer.
These pistons are constantly moving. They generate massive power. This is the main energy source. And they never stop.
But none of this works without fuel. This is where fuel flows. It is thick and extremely hot. And now we go deeper inside.
This is the fuel pump system. It pushes fuel at high pressure. Every second is critical here, and the engine depends on this.
Now comes the cooling system. It controls the engine temperature. Seawater flows through these.
These are auxiliary engines. They support the main system, providing additional power, keeping everything running smoothly.
This is where electricity is generated, powering the entire ship, from lights to control systems.
Now we move to the exhaust system, where heat and gases are released. This area is extremely hot and highly dangerous.
These exhaust lines carry gases upward, releasing pressure from the system. Everything must flow perfectly, or the system can fail.
Now, we reach upper platforms, where systems affecting
From here, the scale is clear. This engine is massive. Every part is synchronized, working without stopping. These are monitoring systems. They track every movement, every temperature, every pressure. Everything is under control.
These gauges show real-time data. Pressure levels are critical. A small change can be dangerous. Everything must stay balanced. Here is the electrical control. Power flows through these systems. Every connection matters. Nothing can fail here. These cables carry energy, connecting every major system. From engines to controls, everything is linked together.
Now we move even deeper into the core systems, where the most intense processes happen.
This section is more compact. Systems are tightly packed here. Every inch is used efficiently. This is the lubrication system. Oil flows through every moving part, reducing friction and heat, keeping everything running smoothly.
These bearings handle heavy load. They support constant motion. Without lubrication, they fail quickly, and damage spreads instantly.
Air is just as important as fuel. It enters through these ducts, feeding the combustion process, maintaining engine performance.
This is the turbocharger. It compresses incoming air, increasing engine efficiency and boosting power output.
This is the turbocharger. It compresses incoming air, increasing engine efficiency and boosting power output.
The turbo works at extreme speed, handling intense pressure. Even a small failure here can impact the entire engine.
Here, air meets fuel, creating the perfect mixture. Precision is everything. Balance must be exact.
This is where combustion happens. Energy is released here. Power is generated instantly, and the cycle continues.
The combustion continues non-stop, releasing massive energy. Every cycle is precisely timed.
These cylinders guide the motion up and down in perfect rhythm, handling extreme pressure and constant force. These valves control the flow. Air and fuel move through here. Timing is extremely critical. Even milliseconds matter. These valves control the flow. Air and fuel move through here. Timing is extremely critical. Even milliseconds matter.